Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to practice your English with us? Today's story is about a young girl named Nisha who goes shopping in a mall. Let's begin. Anya was a 12-year-old girl who lived in a small village. She went to school in her village. She enjoyed playing with her friends after school. One day she told her mum that she wanted to go to the mall in the city because all the kids at school were talking about it. The city was about 3 kilometers away from her village. Her mum said, "Okay, let's go." They took a bus to the mall. When they arrived, Anya was amazed by the size of the building. She had never seen such a big building before. When they entered the mall, Anya saw many people. There were many shops. All the shops looked beautiful. The mall had an amazing atmosphere. Anya and her mother enjoyed walking around the mall. After walking for a few minutes, Anya said, "Mom, I want to buy some clothes." Her mother said, "Okay, but don't spend too much money." Anya said, "Okay, Mom." She went into a shop. The shop had many beautiful clothes. It also had many accessories. Anya liked everything in the shop. She went to the changing room. She tried on many dresses, but none of them fit her well. Finally, she found a nice dress. It was brown. It was simple but elegant. She also bought a matching bag. Then she went to the cashier to pay for the dress and the bag. But when she reached the cashier, she saw that she didn't have enough money. She needed $10 more. So she went back to the shop to return the items. She felt sad. She couldn't buy anything. As she was returning the clothes, a woman approached her and asked, "Can I help you?" She was a saleswoman from the shop. Anya told her everything. The saleswoman was kind. She gave her a discount of $20 on the dress. Now she only needed $5 more. Anya thanked the saleswoman and paid for the dress. Then she went out of the shop happily. After this, Anya and her mother went to a food court. They had lunch there. After lunch, they went to a shoe shop. Anya wanted to buy new shoes. She found a pair of white sneakers. They looked very nice. She liked them very much. She went to the changing room again. She tried them on. They fitted her perfectly. She was very happy. But when she reached the cashier, she saw that she didn't have enough money again. This time she needed $15 more. She felt very upset. Anya returned the shoes and went outside the shop. Suddenly, a man came up to her. He asked, "What happened?" He was a security guard at the mall. Anya explained everything to him. The security guard was a nice man. He said, "Don't worry, I will get you those shoes." He took her to the manager of the shoe shop. The manager was a kind woman. She understood Anya's problem. She gave her a 20% discount on the shoes. Now she only needed $10 more. Anya and her mom thanked the manager and the security guard. Then they left the shop happily. Now they went to a toy shop. Anya wanted to buy a doll. She found a cute doll in the shop. It was sitting on a shelf. The doll was wearing a beautiful red dress. Anya's eyes sparkled with joy. She asked the shopkeeper to give her the doll. The shopkeeper gave her the doll. She paid for it and left the shop happily. They went to the food court again. This time they had an ice cream. After this, they went home. Anya was tired. She slept for 2 hours after she woke up. She took out her new clothes, her shoes, her bag, and the doll from her bag. She was very happy with her new things. She decided to wear her new dress and shoes the next day at school. The next day at school, all her friends admired her new dress and shoes. They asked her where she had bought them from. She told them about the mall. All her friends wanted to go to the mall now. So this was today's story. We hope you enjoyed listening to it. Now let's check your understanding of the story with a short quiz. Question number 1. What did Annie want to buy first? She wanted to buy some clothes. Question number 2. Why did Annie need $10 more? Because the dress cost $20, but she only had $10. Question number 3. What did the saleswoman do to help Annie? She gave her a $20 discount. Question no. 4. How much money did Annie need after the discount? She only needed $5 more. Question number 5. What did Annie buy at the toy shop? She bought a doll. Question number 6. What color dress was the doll wearing? The doll was wearing a beautiful red dress. Question number 7. What did Annie and her mother have for lunch? They had pizza. Question number 8. Where did they have lunch? They had lunch at a food court. Now, if you want to improve your English even further, we want to give you some exercises based on today's story. Exercise number 1. Describe your favorite dress or shirt in 3 to 4 sentences. You can talk about the color, the design, and the occasion when you will wear that dress or shirt. Exercise number 2. Write 5 sentences about the mall in your city. In these sentences, you can mention the name of the mall, the shops in the mall, and the things you like to do there. Exercise 3. Write 3 sentences about a kind person you know. This person can be your teacher, your friend, your neighbor, or anyone else. Exercise 4. Write 3 sentences about a security guard or a policeman in your country. Exercise number 5. Write 3 sentences about a salesperson in a shop. You can talk about their appearance, the way they treat customers, and the way they help you when you need assistance. Now you can take a screenshot of these questions and send us your answers on WhatsApp. The number is provided below. We will check your answers and give you feedback. Now let's have a look at some new words from today's story. Number 1. Amazed. It means extremely surprised and happy. For example, she was amazed by the size of the building. Number 2. Approach. It means to go near someone or something. For example, a woman approached her and asked, "Can I help you?" No. 3. Discount. It's the amount of money that you are deducted while buying something. For example, the saleswoman gave her a discount of $20. Number 4. Elegant. It means stylish and well-dressed. For example, the dress was brown. It was simple but elegant. Number 5. Sparkle. It means to shine with a lot of happiness. For example, her eyes sparkled with joy. Number 6. It means a large shopping center that has many shops and places to eat. For example, they went to the mall in the city. Number 7. Teenager. It's a person between the age of 13 to 19. For example, she was a 12-year-old girl. Number 8. Uniform. It's a set of clothes that people wear when they are working. For example, the security guard was wearing a uniform. Now learn these words and use them in your own sentences. And this brings us to the end of today's story. We hope you had fun listening to this story and answering these questions. If you want us to make videos like this more often, please let us know by sending us a message on WhatsApp. The number is provided below. Also, if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our stories, please share them with us through the same number. Thank you for giving us your valuable feedback. We will try to make better and better videos for you in the future. Until then, goodbye.